What's up everyone? Welcome to Debug.Log. In this video we're going to continue working on the horror game that we started with the goal to have Markiplier play it in 3 scary games. I hope we can make it happen. Alright, let's go. If you haven't seen the first video, go ahead and click the link right here. There. Right there. In this video, I've been working for the last 2 weeks on creating a basic scene for our horror game. So I started out with Pro Builder, and as you will see, gave up on Pro Builder pretty quickly. So as you can see, I'm using the lockers as a reference because the size of the lockers I really liked when I was working on them. So I'm using it as a reference to build the walls around to scale. I decided to add more lockers down this long stretch of hallway to try to make it look more realistic like a school, and lock them in place. And as you can see, I think it's a little too confined still, not much movement from left to right, so I end up moving the lockers again once I change the wall structure. At this point, I just decided it's not worth modeling the entire hallway in Blender, or not worth modeling it in Pro Builder, as it was taking way too much time to get some simple stuff done. So I remembered that I had purchased a Suburban neighborhood house pack off of the Unity Asset Store, which is intended to build houses, but they have a really good base of walls and floors, ceilings, and everything like that I can use in this game as well, with doorways and everything. So I will have to do some 3D modeling in the future to basically crack the walls or break some of the walls or things like that to make it look more old, and I will have to change textures at some point to make it look more like a school. But doing this modular pack is much easier than building it all by scratch. So as you can see, I deleted the Pro Builder block that I was creating to build the hallway. Now I started using the modular pieces to create a hallway, and then I have to rescale it to fit my lockers properly at some point. Right there, I'm plopping in a door. That door, you know, then I can, what I'm going to do after I put in these doors is actually I'm going to duplicate the hallway and just make it longer. I'm going to constantly duplicate what I've already built, so that there's door with lockers, door lockers moving forward. Here I did a test to see what it would look like with a single light in a hallway with everything closed off, so there's no sunlight or anything like that. And it looks pretty damn creepy to me. Doing some research on finding out what a school looks like. I mean, I know I've been in a school before, but I want to know like a good layout for a school, so I ended up looking and finding this picture, which I think is a perfect layout for the type of school I want to build. It's got a gym, it's got a library right when you walk into the front entrance, a bunch of little classrooms, cafeteria, all that type of stuff. So this is what I intend to use as a guide to how this is going to turn out. I've got two sets of walls flipped on each other, facing each other, with lockers in between them going all the way down the hallway, and then I'm going to add the floor. Alright everyone, that about sums up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Subscribe so you can see more content like this. Hit me up on Patreon if you want to support this project or anything that I do. And I'll see you guys again next time here on Debug.Log. So I have a question for you. Would Would you like to see more tutorials on this channel, or would you like to see more content like this about the process of creating a video game? Please let me know in the comments down below. I need an editor.